Believe in yourself and score that perfect 30 out of 30.
Number of questions, 30. You have 10 seconds for each question. Please pause the video if the time is not enough for you. I went fishing last Sunday. I caught a lot of fish. What are you afraid of? Ghosts? It was a long journey. I was both tired and hungry when I got back home. He wanted to go to the police station. He asked me where it was. The house is dirty, but we don't have time to clean it. We gave them our address and they gave us theirs. John promised that he wouldn't be late, but of course he was, as usual. Do the police carry guns in your country? Nobody knows where he is. He didn't tell anybody where he was going. When I was a child, I didn't like cats very much, but now I do.
I arrived at the same time as Peter. Aren't the children here? No, they're still at school. They'll be home soon. She took a photograph of Lawrence while he wasn't looking. Are you doing anything special on Friday evening? Do you know what time the concert begins? Yes, at 8 o'clock. Tennis is very simple. All you have to do is hit the ball over the net. She can't meet us on Saturday. She's working. I'm sorry for shouting at you. She took 2 books with her on holiday, but she didn't read either of them. What's the name of the people who live next door?
What make is your watch? It's a Rolex. I think. Let me look. Mr. Green is waiting for you in your office. Really? How long has he been here? Henry showed us some pictures that were painted by his father. I understood the book better after reading it a second time. In your position, I wouldn't say anything. In the United States, most people have only 2 weeks holiday a year. We didn't do anything except watch TV. Do you want to keep these postcards? No, you can throw them away. Shall I leave the computer on? No, you can turn it off. Don't stop working. Carry on until I tell you to stop.